A fast-moving fire tears through an historic church in Wakefield. The flames sending the steeple crashing to the ground. That church is now a complete loss.
And it appears severe weather is to blame. Michelle Fisher is live in Wakefield this morning with much more. Michelle.
Yeah, witnesses tell us they saw a lightning strike hit the steeple here at First Baptist Church, starting that fire. Now, that was over 11 hours ago, and this morning there are still firefighters here extinguishing hot spots. Just to give you an idea of how bad it was, let's go ahead and take a look at video from yesterday evening. You can see the church completely up in flames at one point around 7 last night. Onlookers watched as those flames eventually caused the top of the steeple to crash to the ground. The fire chief saying that when his crews arrived on scene, the extent of the fire was actually so bad it was hard for them to stop it, but eventually it did take more than 100 firefighters to get the fire extinguished.
2 days ago, I just went to the service, 10:15 on Sunday, and I'm just shocked that this church is burned down.
In a statement, the church is expressing its gratitude, saying in part, "We praise Jesus that our church community was kept safe." A big thank you to the many firefighters who did their job with excellence and to the outpouring of support from the community. Now, luckily, no one was hurt, but this 150-year-old church does appear to be a complete loss. The fire chief also saying that because of the extent of this damage, the investigation is going to be a difficult one for them. Over on our website, cbsboston.com, we do have information on how you can donate to this church as they start what is sure to be a long process of rebuilding. Reporting live in Wakefield, Michelle Fisher, WBZ This Morning.